Hi, it's Mr. Fletcher here. So we've got another example here of drawing three-dimensional cuboids on isometric paper. Now our starting position for this example is that we've been given a net for a cuboid. We know it's a cuboid because we recognise what the nets look like. We've got how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces on the net. And we've been given all three dimensions for the cuboid, so 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So we're going to take those dimensions and we're going to draw them up on our isometric paper, which is this triangular looking paper here, and that's going to give it a sort of three-dimensional feel and look. So we get to choose really kind of which way up and way round the box goes, but the sides of the box have got to be 5, 3 and 4. So I'm going to decide that this is going to be a sort of short, sort of flattish looking box, the way I'm going to draw it. So I'm going to pick the 5 centimeter length and draw that along the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be the bottom, so I'm starting at the bottom, and align my flat ruler or protractor up with one of the directions on the triangular paper, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now need them upright is to start making this look a bit more like a cuboid. So let's say we're going to have it sort of short and flat, so let's take the 3 in our dimension list. 1, 2, 3, just check that, 1, 2, 3, and we'll draw the other upright in here, 1, 2, 3, and we'll put a top on it. So that's sort of front right direction. So that's 3 and 5. So the missing dimension that we haven't got in here is the 4. So that must be kind of going that way. So we'll line up with the other direction on the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So then we need to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And across the top of that. So that's the front right and the front left face of the cuboid. So we'll put the top on. We'll put the top on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the top face of our box. So now for the difficult bit, I guess, which is putting all the edges on that we can't see around the back. So the height of this box was 3, so I need an upright around the back here. So I'm going to put that on as a dashed line. You don't have to, but I think it gives it more of a sort of round the back feel. And then we need the base on, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right at the back, that was 5, wasn't it? 1, 2, there we go, 4, 5, and there we have it. So we've drawn our three-dimensional cuboid from the net on our isometric paper. Now it's time for you to have a go.